Hi guys, and welcome to the long-awaited and requested Christmas gift guide. And I'm really happy to announce that for this video I teamed up with Nordgreen Copenhagen, which is this company that produces high-quality watches that were designed by award-winning Danish designer Jacob Wagner. And they contacted me and wanted me to feature their products on my channel. And I wasn't really sure how to do that, but they wanted me to introduce their products to you guys, and I thought it's gonna be amazing to do that in a Christmas gift guide. So today we are not only gonna talk about perfumes, but about some other gift ideas that you can make for your loved ones. And in my opinion, watch is definitely one of the best ones, and I'm telling you that from the experience because I gifted watch to my boyfriend once on Christmas and he loved it so much. And what I love about Nordgreen Copenhagen is that they have real beautiful designs, and that is the model that I picked for myself to show you. And I really like how it looks. It looks unique, elegant and minimalistic, and very Scandinavian. And I love Scandinavia so much. I love how simplistic they are, but at the same time how beautiful and well put together everything that they produce looks. And you can even get creative and personalize your watches, and they have different options that you can put together, and there are even some gift sets available on their website. The link to it you'll find down below in the description box. But I can tell you that these designs look very beautiful in the real life, and Scandinavian design by Jacob Wagner, who is one of Scandinavia's most heavily awarded and respected designers with over 20 years of experience designing for international companies, looks not like everything else out there. And actually I was so pleased by this watch because I have quite a few watches and they are way too bulky to wear them in the everyday life, so I have been looking for an everyday, very practical watch for the longest time, but I couldn't find the one because I have really slim wrists and all the watches were too big. But this one is so small and tiny, and they have different sizes, so that's just something very great for me personally. And in my opinion, for such high quality products, these are also quite affordable. And what I love the most about this company and why I actually decided to collaborate with them in the first place is that they take social responsibility, and with every order you can do something great for charity projects that they have going on. And in December they will donate a meal to a homeless person from every order that will be placed this month. So in case you decide to go for their watch as a Christmas gift for the person you really care about, definitely use this code SOCIALBITE so they know that they need to donate a meal to persons who have a need in that from your order. And I think giving back is so important, and I really like what this company does, and I love their designs. I have so much white clothes, and in my opinion this watch is so pretty and beautiful and elegant. I can't wait to rock it every day. You'll probably see me wearing it a lot in the future, but yeah. Anyway, if you're looking for a great present and you want to make something good for the person, and you also want to make sure that the person will wear what you gift her or him, definitely go for a watch, because this is just like one of the essential accessories in our life. And for that I really like this brand, so check out their official website. The link is gonna be down below, and if you have any questions just feel free to ask me and I'll be happy to help you out. And with that being said, guys, let's get started talking about some other Christmas gift ideas. And of course I wanted to mention a few perfume gifts that you can make for men and women. And here's the deal. In my opinion, the best thing you can gift on Christmas is perfume kit or perfume set, because not only it will include perfume in a full size, but also some kind of body care products which always feel luxurious. And I like to to put on cream or to shower myself with some product that smells of my favorite perfume. So I really recommend you to look into different perfume sets, and I wanted to mention a few that I find worth checking out. And I just went on Douglas official website. By the way, this video is not sponsored, not by Douglas nor by Nordgreen. I just wanted to let you know where you can get these. You can check out their official website, and one of the best sets ever is definitely Miracle by Lancome. I have a bottle of it because I actually gifted that set once my mother on Christmas, and she still has a little left, and I definitely associate Miracle by Lancome with my mom. It smells, oh my god, timeless, of kindness, love and care. And what else do we need? It comes with some body lotion and shower gel, and this perfume is fresh and absolutely feminine. I really like it. It's quite affordable too, so if you have no idea what to get, definitely go for a Miracle. You can't go wrong with it, and especially if you're looking for a perfume gift for your mom and you want it to be something very easygoing, something that she can enjoy every day, I think Miracle will work perfectly. And if you're looking for something newer, maybe for your girlfriend or daughter, and you want new perfume that was launched this year and something really good, in my opinion one of the best releases this year was Pure Musk Narciso Rodriguez for her. This bottle is so pretty. I mean, like, I have a review on it and I received so much positive feedback on it, and in my opinion this is the best musky designer perfume that is available out there right now. And it comes in a set with some body care products, and I just find this is an amazing perfume. And if you know that the person loves something musky, fresh and floral, and you want to make her very happy, I would recommend you Pure Musk, because it's like one of my gems. Such as L'Interdit by Givenchy, which in my opinion was best release of last year. And to be honest with you, and I was so excited to see this perfume kit from Givenchy that includes not only this perfume in a full size, but also mascara from Givenchy and dark Givenchy lipstick, and everything looks so beautiful, like that packaging. Oh my god, and it's not even that pricey. I believe I paid that much only for this perfume. That's juicy, bright, floral, daring. I love it, and a lot of people love it. I received a lot of great feedback on it in my review which I did on it. So if you're looking for a real deal gift with perfume, with lipstick, with mascara, oh my god, this Givenchy one is definitely one of the best options you can go for. Definitely grab it, because in my opinion such a deal and bargain won't last too long available on the website or in the store. So now let me tell you about Cologne collection fragrance set from Jo Malone. Basically it includes 5 different perfume minis from the brand. There is a dark range collection and white range collection, and I find that discovery sets or perfume kits that include a few fragrances is one of the best perfume gift ideas I can give you, just because that way person can experience different fragrances and see what works for her, for him the best, you know. And that's exciting to try out a lot of different products. So if you have no idea what person is into, or you just know that he or she loves Jo Malone, go for these discovery sets. I find they are real beautiful, pretty and quite exciting too. You can actually layer them all together, which creates even more fun. So yeah, I like this idea a lot. I would definitely buy one if I needed to gift a perfume discovery sets for somebody. And now let's move on to something indie, something more creative. If you know that person is into niche and creative perfumery, I would definitely recommend you to go for Heirloom Elixir Limited Edition, the 2019 complete collection gift set by DSH Perfumes that basically includes all the Heirloom Elixirs limited editions of the year. This can be refilled. These smell so creative and interesting. I blind bought a few of them because I didn't know that Dawn will bring them all in the end of the year, but I think if you know somebody who is into DSH, or you love DSH, or somebody is really into absolutely astonishing, fantastic perfumery, check out these. Like, every perfume is so exciting and cool and just like wow, and if you want to cause that effect, go for DSH Discovery Kit. Okay, next one, I don't think that a lot of people mentioned in their gift idea videos, and in my opinion it's such a cool experience that you can gift to somebody, which is a Voucher, a day of perfume making from 4160 Tuesdays. This is one of the best indie perfume houses in my personal opinion. I love them. I spent so much money on their perfumes this year, and that's basically a gift card. And if you know that person is really into perfume making, and he or she is very passionate about this whole process, and you want just to make sure that he or she will be absolutely amazed by the knowledge and by the creative ideas of Sarah McCartney, definitely give this gift guide if you're in UK, and if you're in other countries, I'm sure there are also some indie brands that do something similar. Just look for it. But 4160 Tuesdays, oh my goodness, I wish I could participate in that perfume making experience myself. Okay, now let me tell you something that is not necessarily perfume related, but still on the body care and aromatherapy side, and these perfume and body care sets from the brand Rituals, that is on the spa side, and I really like their products because they feel luxurious, they are quite affordable, and they look very beautiful, and they have so many different sets available, which include a lot of different products like candles, creams, shower gels, body lotions, candles, I've already mentioned that, teas, like so many different ones. And two that I would recommend, one for men is Calming Ritual. It's so beautiful, like it smells amazing. And the one for women is the Ritual of Sakura. Oh my god, first of all, the texture of their cream is fantastic because it leaves your skin silky smooth, and then it smells like something so peaceful, powdery and pleasant. Oh my goodness, like these two I swear by that, but they have so many different options. You can have fun with these and just gift it to someone who you really like, and you just don't really know in which type of perfumes the person is into, but you want to make sure that this is a good gift, and if you're looking for something like that, Rituals is the best place to go. Okay, and finally I wanted to let you know what cool and small gifts you can make maybe to your colleagues or friends, and those are different Yves Rocher products. They have so many different ideas that are already sort of in a bundle. They have a lot of different Christmas products, and they look simple, interesting. It's just like little thank you, little pleasure that you can make to people whom you like, who you had fun with throughout the year, and you just don't want to go out and purchase like a 60 euro perfume, but you just want to buy a lot of simple gifts that will be useful, that are good, that have good quality, but like nothing super crazy. You know, if you're looking for small gifts that you can buy a lot of, go to Yves Rocher. That's the best place to shop if you are looking for something that will bring little joy to everybody. And finally, guys, I need to mention a full-size perfume that looks absolutely breathtaking, and I think if you're looking for that exciting fragrance to put under the Christmas tree, and you want perfume that will definitely cause a lot of happiness, and you're just looking for that only one gift that will work, I recommend you Derby Rose by Chanticole. And just look at this box. I mean, like at the moment when Raping Pepper is gone and this box is revealed, person will be like smitten with it. But if you don't think it can get any better, oh guys, it can, because look at this bottle. Oh my god, do you get those royal vibes out of it? This is so pretty, and this scent smells of real rose. Fresh, citrusy, youthful, aromatic, gorgeous scent. I think that everybody will enjoy it, and if you're looking for very expensive gift for a person you really care about, I definitely recommend you that one. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know in the comments which of these gift ideas you liked the most, or maybe you will even use, or just let me know what you decided to gift your loved ones this Christmas. I'm looking forward to chat with you, and if you have any ideas, just let me know that in the commentary section. Check out the description box. With that being said, thank you so much for spending this time with me. I wish you a lot of fun picking gifts for your friends and loved ones, and have a Merry Christmas, but there are gonna be a lot of other exciting videos coming up really soon, so make sure to stay tuned for them, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see each other in my next one. Bye guys!